good, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, man. Hey, it's your boy, Luke Kang from Luke Kang's Kicks, man. We finna take y'all on a trip today. All right, where we going? San Mateo, California, Sneaker Expo 2023. First, before we get started here, though, if you're new to the channel, I just need y'all to do me one favor, all right? One time for the one time. Hit that button for your boy, all right? We almost touching 300. We almost there. Y'all know it's finna be a giveaway, all right? Let's run it. Mine is bananas right now. Whew. Up here in this line, it's crazy. Bananas here. Video in a minute, all right? So look, what we gonna do is, man, we gonna show y'all a couple little pickups. You know what I'm saying? Met some cool people, man. Had a great time, all right? Y'all gotta stay tapped in with the channel, man. All y'all gotta do is free. Hit the button, subscribe, like, comment. You feel me? Go ahead and share the video. You know what I'm saying? Help your boy out, cause why not? You feel me? If you ain't supporting, you hating. All right, so. Sneaker bag, man, you know what I'm saying? Fit all your kicks up in here, clear that, just like that, all right? And then we gonna do something that no other shoe tuber has ever done before, man. I'm gonna show y'all what's called sneaker trading cards, man. If y'all ain't know, it's sneaker trading cards, all right? So we actually gonna go ahead and bust down a pack. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all what's inside. I'm excited to see what's inside. And we got more great content coming for y'all. All right? First one here, Kobe card. All right? So, 1-to-1 stock. Got a QR code on the back. Hard. You know what I'm saying? This is the future. Futuristic. Bam. This right here. 2020 Dunky Dunks. All right, we're gonna bust these open, man. We're gonna take a look. Told y'all, coming with some cool content, all right? Bust down some packs for y'all. Ooh, kind of hard to open. I don't want to mess up the cards. Ooh. 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 Damn, they need some scissors, man. That tear on. real good packaging on them. That's for sure. These will last for forever. Let's get them busted down. Whew. There we go. Do the wrapper. Bam. Alright, first one. Look like it's a hologram. What we got? Ooh, read space. On the back right there, it say it was a riot. Sneaker riot. Alright. And these cards right here, brought to you by, you know what I'm saying, a sneaker Savi. Alright? Y'all go check them out. I'm finna link them in the description of the video. Bam. Next card right here. Tweed Low 04. Alright. Dunk Pro SB. Bam. Got some cool trading cards. Some cool pickups. Next one. Dunk High Pro SB 04. All these got QR codes on the back, man. So y'all can scan them, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all info, get y'all sneaker trading cards up, get y'all game up, man. Nike Dunk Pro SB 04. Iron Maiden. Dunk Low Pro SB 03. eBay joints. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Dunk High Pro SB 04. Orchard Streets. Alright. Ta-da. Orchard Street 2s. Dunk High Pro SB 04. Zoom Air Angus. Alright. Bam. We got an Air Max 90 04. Bam. The DQM joints. And then we got an Air Zoom Delta Force. You know what I'm saying? A6. There we go. Each and every time, man, I really appreciate y'all rocking with me, all right? Until next video, we out.